In this video, I will be showing you how to fix Instagram restrict certain activity. Major social media companies like Instagram are under pressure to address safety and security on their platforms as a result of national focus on mental health. Instagram has introduced additional privacy tools in response, such as a restriction feature that enables users to choose how frequently they see comments and messages from particular profiles on their feeds. So when you encounter that, all you have to do is go to your profile, tap settings, scroll down, and look for help. Tap this one here and then click report a problem. Click report a problem again and then tap include and continue. And here you can write and point out your major concern. Let's just say you're going to type this message. Let's say I get a message from Instagram saying, try again later. We restrict certain activity to protect our community. Please help me to resolve this. Or you can say, please help me to resolve this kind of issue. And then you can also say thank you. Once done, you can upload a picture here as a proof that you encountered or you are encountering this kind of issue or error on your Instagram. Once done, click send. Now all you have to do is to wait for their customer service team to take any action and help you regarding with this matter. Aside from that, there is another way on how to solve this issue. All you have to do is to tap this Instagram account or Instagram application or long press this one. Go to app info, click the storage usage, click clear cache, and then once done, you can now go back. And last method or way is to uninstall this application and install it again and see if the errors are fixed. As easy as that. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.